तो फिर तुझे पाऊँ मैं, तुझको बताऊँ मैं, कैसे ही दिन आते मेरी, दिखा दो सारे नैनों में, मेरे सारा जहां उड़ा दे तेरे नैनों पे, मेरे सारा जहां. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are on the third and final project of this month. This game is a projectile game. As you can see, there's a blue dot at the center and a target. Now, at the most basic level, it's just a shooting game. You shoot at the target, you win. But what I did different was that I put acceleration values. It's basically now a projectile. It has an acceleration which you can define. So we can put f of x equal to some constant value like 30, and f of y, let it be 0 right now. Now what you can do is, when you aim, your trajectory will be different. It won't go where you expect it to. It would act as if gravity exists. See how it goes in a parabolic path instead of a straight one? Now, instead of constant values, I thought differently. Why can't I make it a function? Why can't it be more diverse? So you can put time, distance, y distance, x distance, velocity, anything for f of x, for force in x-axis. So now if you put x times 10 is equal to f, now it moves differently. Now if you want to create a sine wave, just put f of y equal to negative. Now if you want to make a sine wave, you can put f in the y direction equal to negative y times a constant like 10. Now file, reset, and file. As you can see, it goes in a sine wave kind of motion. Now if I want to get circular motion, I just need to put negative x times 10. Now look, it's in an elliptical path. File. See, it's an orbit. This f of x and my goal is to understand how a projectile moves, how any object moves in gravity. This is a simulation for gravity, forces, and how it affects motion. I hope this video was helpful, and I have a few more things to explore. I'll tell it right now. Now, how to move it in a falling path, like how a satellite falls onto the earth. For that, you need to put a retardation factor. Reset minus velocity in the x-axis minus velocity in the y-axis. Wait, why isn't it working? Oh, velocity in the x, velocity in the y. Now it's looks like it's falling into the earth. A spiral, yeah, a spiral. Now for something totally random I found out while testing this thing out is how to make a diagonal sine wave. For that you need to put f in the x direction, negative x, or y minus x, and velocity in the y direction, the opposite, x minus y. time is a constant. Now look, a staircase pattern, a sine wave, a diagonal sine. Isn't that crazy? It was very hard to find out how a diagonal sine wave works. But I found it out. Thanks for watching.